Welcome to the Kirsty Meakin YouTube channel. Today we have got Andrea in, and she's been to Antigua. The lucky devil has been on holiday where most of us haven't been able to do nothing. And she brought back this gorgeous bracelet. And I just said to her, do you know what? Shall we do a set of nails inspired by that? Because I think it's really nice. What is it?
Turquoise, apparently.
Turquoise?
Yeah.
Turquoise is a thing, not just a colour.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a thing.
It's a thing.
It's a thing.
I take when they say jet black, that jet's a thing, isn't it?
Jet is a thing.
Jet is
it's a
a thing.
gemstone thing.
It's a gemstone.
Turquoise is a
Yeah.
gemstone. So we're going to use some gel polishes. Casey making gel polishes, just saying. To create a design inspired by this gorgeous bracelet, because you've just been saying you're obsessed with that colour at
Yeah,
the minute,
this
aren't you?
colour, and I don't know why, because it started with this bracelet,
Yeah, show them that one then.
that one, and obviously that's got loads of different colours.
Yeah, but you
But
especially
that colour, I don't know, just
loving it.
loving it.
Loving it.
And then I saw that in Antigua.
Yeah, you're so lucky. So Andrea's got on her nails, she has an acrylic overlay. So I'm going to clean those up because I've noticed clients touch them, they stroke the nails, don't they? They like a bit of a stroking. So I'm going to take off any oils from those nails or any foundation, because people touch their faces and everything, with the clean up solution. Make them nice and clean. So it will dehydrate as well, so it will dehydrate the skin a little bit. So we'll put lashings of oil on afterwards. Lashings, darling, lashings. Yeah, bit of foundation on them.
Have a look. I don't even realise I'm doing it, you know.
You sit there like that.
Yeah,
It's not just you.
yeah.
I do it, everybody
Yeah.
does it. You sit there like,
You probably don't even realise.
yeah, and you just touch the face. And
Yeah.
just got to get rid of those oils.
Yeah.
We're going to go on with the base coat first. So this is the base coat. Isn't it beautiful? You know it's different than the colours and like your top coat and your matte top coat, because if I just move your hand there, 2 seconds, thank you. So we have the gorgeous, shiny, should be earrings top coat. And then we also have the base, which is a full, shiny, glossy bottle. And then with the matte, the body of the bottle is actually matte. So you know the difference between them. And obviously the colours look different as well. So we would go with the base coat. Very thin layer. You don't need a lot of product. Make sure the brush sort of skips over the end. If it's a square nail, you can cap the edge first, but then drag down nice and thin. Thin to win. Right, so I'm going to I normally use backing paper from sculpting foam, but I've decided, I mean, we might as well use, this is the backing paper from, you know, the files. We can use that as a palette. Like, how cool is that? Waste not, one not. Look how long it is. So I'm going to pop that there. I'm going to put some colours on here. So we've got Nanny Pam. This is Nanny Pam. Named after my mother, which, you know, we all just love and adore.
We do.
We're going to put a little line here and a little line here. Then we've got Lucy. Lucy is named after my late Auntie Lucy, who was phenomenal. Words can't describe how amazing that woman was. Then we've got, this colour is Alicia. See, Alicia is my daughter, my eldest daughter. She's amazing. And then we've got Decker. This, yes, named after my late granddad. And then we have cola. I bet you can't guess what that one's named after. Only one thin amount of that. And then I'm going to use Busy. This one's named after Izzy Busy, which is my best friend. I'm going to put a little bit through here. Here. Maybe a bit there as well. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat one nail, just for now, one nail with Lucy. Thin layer. Because you only need a thin layer, because they're so pigmented, this means that you get more nails per bottle. You can pop me that in. And then what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to use base coat. Just going to put a little bit of base coat here. I'm going to use the Messy Nessie just to pull little bits of base coat. So I'm just pulling a bit of base coat between these lines. You don't have to do it between all of them, just because, can you see what's happening? We've got a little bit of bleeding, and that's what I want. A little bit of movement. Then we're going to use the Fade brush, which is named after Faye. Faye has a brush named after her. It is an ombre brush. It's nice and long, which is perfect for what we're going to do now. Bring me that one out of the lamp. And what I'm going to do is use base coat, a thin layer of base coat over this colour. It only needs to be very thin. So we're going to go in to the base coat, and then we're going to scoop through some of the colour like that. And then we're going to come down and transfer that on to create a nice marble. Place it down, let it drag off. And we've still got some on there, so I can use that as well. So we get a gorgeous marble. I love that. Pop that in the lamp, and you can see we've got enough on this little makeshift palette to do even more. And then with this one, I'm gonna create an irregular smile line. So I'm gonna do most of it with the brush, but then because I want to come up here and come quite tight, I'm gonna use the Messy Nessie brush. So I can just pick up a little bit of that, and then I can just get my edge nice and neat. Just popped a little bit more on there because I kind of want it to come up here in waves. That's it. And I can just tease this product nice and flat with the very, very tip of this brush. Pop me that in. Then we're going to go base coat. And I'm just going to put the base coat where this free edge is.
Grip.
I don't want to put it up here because it'll bleed into this section, and I want this section just naked. So we're going to come into this again. And then this time we're going to follow the lines. Get down. Oh my God, it's so nice. Oh, it's so pretty. Pop that in. Now, this one, I want to put on this gorgeous rose gold busy colour as the background, because I absolutely love it. And I think this is giving you a good idea of how many like different ways that you can create this kind of effect with different tone backgrounds. I mean, look at that. It's one coat, that is. One coat. What? Thin application, not adding any bulk to the nail. Pop that in. So the reason we put the base coat on is so when we apply these sort of marble effect that's on here, it slips and it slides and it moves, and that's what's creating that effect. If you go onto like a dry nail, and when I say dry, I mean as soon as that comes out of the lamp, if we just went onto that, it'd stay still, and that's not the effect I want today. And that's fine if you really want to control where your marble's going, but today I really want it to sort of have that movement, so that's why I'm putting the base coat on in between, so we've got that slippy slidey sort of layer. Do you get what I mean? I'll try and be really professional then. It all went down the pan. Base coat. Thin, it's only very thin. Don't think you've got to put a big layer on. It's literally there to slip and slide. So I'm going to push through, pick it up, and then we're going to come in at an angle. Let those colours come down. So on this one, I'm just going to do what should I do? I just want to do just one of these, to be honest. And then put like a turquoisey stone on it. And I'm literally going to do one coat of this colour. I just don't think it needs anything else. So if you give me your hand again, we'll put on the thumb, we'll put Lucy on the thumb. So I'm going to do these at the same time, getting adventurous. I literally just want a little smidge here, that's enough. Just a little bit of that chocolate, not chocolate, cola, Jesus Christ. I just want chocolate, that's what it is.
I agree, and I like chocolate. I really love chocolate.
And then do you know what? That's so simple, but it looks so bloody nice. Don't it? Oh. Yes. So, gorgeous. Hasn't taken too long. Very salon wearable. And I want to say very salon doable. That's a thing I have just come up with, that saying. Doable. Very salon doable. Oh yeah. Oh, let me go down there. There.
Looks like when you're on the plane going over the Caribbean.
Oh my God, it does. Oh, Doc, that looks a bit gorgeous, doesn't it? So, gorgeous natural nails with a turquoise gemstone effect with a bit of pizzazz. That was the pizzazz. Look at that. That looks lovely with them. There we are, guys. I'm going to clean up my mess. Or leave it till next week. No, I will. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's something that's quite easy, beautiful, great colours. Have a little go at it. Give us a tag. Check out us on Instagram as well as TikTok and Facebook. And we will see you in the next video. So please keep watching. Ta-da, duck! Are you? Oh, God. Last one of the day. Here we go. Let's make it.